Chef Masa from Asian Inspirations has taken the time to step out of your own kitchen and come into mine. You're so hardworking. Every time I look over, you and your dad have got the most bustling and hustling restaurant here in the market. So thank you for taking the time.
Thank you very much.
What are you making me?
We're making waffle-style seafood Yaki Udon today. So first of all, we got water boiling for the noodles.
Beautiful. So we're going to use the Hakubaku 100% organic Australian-made noodles. So these are the authentic Japanese udon-style noodle. So you can use them in so many different ways. You obviously use them in a stir-fry today. I personally at home also like to use them in a soup as well. So they're so versatile as well, which is amazing. And the texture of an udon noodle has to be one of my favorites. It's got to be like the way that they cultivate the wheat or something. It just has this beautiful, nice, soft chew. And it clings to the sauce really, really nicely. Are we going in with everything?
We go with probably 2 packs today.
2, okay. I was being a little bit greedy, wasn't I? I got a bit excited. What I also love is that these actually come in like the little serving sizes too, so you can just take these off. And then these will take about 10 minutes, but you do want to chill them in cold water, don't you? Because then you're going to go back into the heat. So we'll pop those straight in. There we are.
Also in the packet it says to cook for 10 minutes, but because we're going to stir fry later, we'll undercook it a little bit. So we've got a bit of sesame oil here.
Beautiful.
Just drizzle a bit.
Nice. So that's already going to add so much flavour by just frying simply in that beautiful sesame oil. Like it's just going to go bang. So cabbage.
So we're going to start with some vegetables.
Beautiful.
Some bean sprouts, carrots.
Carrots. Stir-fry noodles just fit any occasion, I think.
Yeah, and the good thing about this is you can literally use any seasonal vegetables that you want.
Beautiful. So you get like capsicum in, broccoli maybe, some mushrooms if you wanted. And then obviously with the seafood, we're going quite seafood heavy today. Looks like you've got some calamari in here, some prawns, you've got mussels, some fish as well. I guess you could change that up as well if you wanted to do maybe just a vegetarian option even, or add some pork or chicken. So this is the one thing I love about your recipes, Masa. They're so versatile.
I decided to choose a lot of seafood today just because I heard that you're coming in today.
I love seafood. You know I love seafood. And it's so fresh here from the markets, from the local fishmongers, so you know it's going to be good.
Yes.
Beautiful.
We'll whittle off the vegetables and just wait for the seafood to cook through.
I love it. And then we can bring it all together with some seasonings, chill the noodles, add them in, and within no time at all, dinner is ready.
It's even quicker if you've got a very nice assistant.
I'm doing nothing here, Masa.
You're keeping me in company.
Okay, perfect. Good, good. So Masa, the noodles are cooked, so I'm going to just reach over and I'm going to grab these. And you said you want them to be chilled down before they go into the stir fry.
Yes.
So we've just got some icy water here. And I'm actually just going to go straight in just to chill them down. And that's obviously going to help to stop the cooking process. And then once they go back into the pan, they'll just re-cook just for those extra few minutes and then coat with all that beautiful sauce and all the flavours that you've put in there. That's looking and smelling incredible. The sesame oil that you put through at the beginning, I think has just changed the stir fry dramatically. I'm going to start doing that at home.
Thank you.
Yeah, so good. So good. All right, what is next?
So now, we've got the sauce ingredients here, a bit of sake, some soy sauce, and dash powder. Just mix it all up. Sorry, I'm making a bit of a mess today.
That's okay. I feel like it's not real cooking unless there's a mess all over the bench. It's absolutely fine. That's what cooking is. Fun and messy.
Give it a bit of a stir.
Beautiful.
We'll put the noodles, drain the noodles and put it in.
I can do that. All right, noodles in.
Noodles go
now, Masa,
in.
it's obviously not a market day today. It's very quiet in here. We've got the place to ourselves.
Yes.
But it's still all happening. The fire alarm's going off. There's tradies around. I heard a power saw before. It's all happening.
Yeah.
Usually your quiet prep day today, but you know.
It's something that you can't experience when it's a market day.
Exactly, exactly. Beautiful. This looks and smells incredible, Masa.
So add all the sauce in, make sure it marinates really well, and then the sauce will blend very well together with the seafood stock that comes out when you do the stir fry.
Yeah.
And because the noodles are a little bit under, when it fully cooks, it also will suck in all the juice as well.
Oh, so those noodles are going to have so much extra depth of flavour.
Exactly.
I love it. So beautiful. And last but not least,
the spring onions for colour.
Beautiful. And just that nice freshness as well to add in. All right, Masa, time to plate up. This looks incredible. We'll turn that off.
Fantastic, thank you.
Beautiful. Yum.
So that's all nice.
A big, generous bowl of noodles is definitely what I want when I come home from work, whether it's late at night or you just want something quick to make with some beautiful fresh seafood, all the vegetables in there, and of course those gorgeous Hakubaku noodles just make this dish the best.
Yeah, Hakubaku noodles work really well with stir-fry noodles.
Yeah.
Because they have a very strong density.
Yep.
They're also very soft in the middle, but they have a really strong outside area.
Yeah, nice.
And that's why it keeps its shape even if you overcook it a little bit.
It does.
So
Beautiful.
it really helps out if you're not used to stir frying.
I love it. And they've got a few little garnishes over here. Let's quickly talk about those before we pop them on.
So we've got a bit of bonito flakes.
Beautiful. I'll let you finish it.
Yeah?
Yeah, go
Thanks.
for it.
It's pretty good.
So you got bonito flakes, and this is pickled.
This is pickled
radish.
ginger.
Oh, ginger. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yum.
So this is beni shoga,
Yum.
Japanese favorite. Bonito flakes.
Just for so much extra. There's so much flavour in this already. But I just love when you add the bonito flakes, how they just sing and
move.
dance on the plate.
Yeah.
It's very magical, very
And
theatrical.
for extra bit of color and scent, the aonori.
Masa, that looks
very much.
incredible. That's like a 15-minute bougie as dinner. Little stir fry, whether it's a Monday night or you got friends coming over last minute on the weekend.
Nice
I think
and
that's absolutely incredible. I am going to dig in. I think it'd be rude not to, right?
Thank you.
Yum. That is delicious. The nori and the bonito flakes on top just change this dish completely, but the seafood is so fresh, all those beautiful vegetables, and the noodles have soaked up all of that goodness that you've added in. That is an absolute winning dish.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining me, Masa.
Thank you.
You can come back whenever.